If you would like to switch a professional account on Instagram, today's video I'm going to show you how exactly you can do it. First thing first, launch your Instagram application, get logged into your account. Now, if your account is personal or private, and if you would like to make it public by switching on to a professional account, here is what you can do and how we can do it. Tap three bar icon. You will see various buttons and various options here, but scroll all the way below until you find account type and tools under for professionals. Tap onto it, select switch to a professional account, tap next. Here you may go ahead, select the category that best fits you, and tap on switch to professional account. Wait for this to load, and then select if it's a business or creator. Tap continue from here. Again, if you would like to simplify accounts and access both Facebook and Instagram. If not, you can also tap not now here. And these are all the steps that you should continue. Once you do so, go back onto your page, refresh it. Now you can see this dashboard here. That means your account has been switched onto a professional account. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.